woke up in good mood. Ask me why. Because my baby, guys, let me tell you. My man says it's time for an upgrade. As you all know, I'm moving out. I'll give you a house tour before it, okay? But today, my man says we need to upgrade my TV, my home theater, and my microwave. Nitaonesha tu juu ile microwave iko pale. I'll show you why I'm upgrading it. And then he says it's time for an upgrade. We need a thin. Itangwa thin, sleek. So tumekuja Samsung shop to choose it. So I want. Hi. Thank you. Nataka. I want a Samsung TV, 85-inch.
So we have 85-inch TV. There's the latest new series, that's the CU8000. That one goes for. Yeah, and then we also have the theaters.
And the sleek one?
Yeah, it's the latest one and it's slim. It's quite
very slim.
Yeah, very slim.
85-inch. Goes for? This home theater?
This home theater goes for 65,000. This is the Q600.
This is the best you have?
This is the best, yeah. And the highest in terms of quality of sound and also for the bass.
Okay. I think I'll take 85-inch and this soundbar. What about this microwave? I would love to upgrade my microwave.
So this is the 40-liter microwave. It has a grill inside. It's also it's an auto cook. Yeah.
Auto cook?
Yeah.
What?
In terms of, you can connect it to your Samsung, other things that you have, let's say your TV, let's say your fridge.
Okay.
Then now it can tell you how far you are.
Or you can tell you how far you are.
Even if you're far, you just know that the food is already ready, and then now you can come pick the food.
Okay. So you can give me this,
and the
85-inch.
Thank you so much.
So guys, my best friend got me flower. And these are this is what I have. Tell me. This is the microwave. This one naonesha ikiwa kwa display. We didn't take the display one. We took the one on the store. This is the home theater. The soundbar. My 85. My 85-inch. Samsung, there it is. Then I have some flowers. Jaman, you have a man who loves you. You have a best friend who loves you. What else do you need in this life? You have a mother who prays for you. Guys, enjoy the video. Guys, my TV is home. My 85-inch Samsung is home. Thank you to my man. My 85-inch is home, as you can see. Ishaekwa kwa wall. This is the soundbar. Ndoyo na nini yake hapa. Here it is. Zisha connectiwa. Imebaki kesho kuweka DSTV. Ndio tuweke connection. The microwave bado sijaitoa kwa box because sina place ya kuiweka for now, and lazima nitafutie place yake ya kuiweka. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Small